Welcome back. Now news from sports. India's triumph in Nehru Cup has delighted the football fraternity and given a boost to the newly appointed coach Wim Koevermans. The Dutch coach has labelled this title victory as an incredible achievement. One of India's experienced midfielders, Clifford Miranda, says that the victory is a result of India's positive frame of mind. Captain Sunil Chhetri says this title is special since India beat a much higher-ranked nation in the finals.
Dutch tactician Wim Koevermans, who began his stint as the India coach since July this year, says, and I quote, "I couldn't believe it. I had a few highs in my coaching career, but this one will certainly be one of these special moments," unquote. Captain of the India team, Sunil Chhetri, who scored the equalizing goal to make the match into a tiebreaker, says, and I quote, "Certainly this one stands out as we beat a side like Cameroon. If someone would have told us at the start of the tournament that we would beat Cameroon, I wouldn't have believed it. But we played as a unit. I am extremely proud of the boys," unquote. India and Dempo Sports Club star Clifford Miranda looks tired after a superb display in the tournament. The 30-year-old Betalbati-based footballer was one of the stellar performers in the India team. Clifford is happy as India overpowered a World Cup regular nation like Cameroon.
It was a very difficult game to play against Cameroon. It's always difficult since, as it is, you all know that they are ranked as 16th or something around the top 16 in the world, and we are 160. But then we did a very good job, to win, to contain them in the full game, the 90 minutes plus 30 extra time, and then to take them to penalties and win the match. But having said that, we had a chance of winning the match as well. They missed chances, even we missed chances. So we had a very good chance of winning, and we did try our best. And we came into the match having lost to them in the group stage, and we came with a determination that okay, again whatever it is, we'll try to win. We'll try to. We came into the match with a positive frame of mind, thinking that we'll win the match, and in the end, thankfully, that was what has happened.
With bureau inputs, our reporter Savio Dias from Betalbati.
50 years ago on this day, the Indian football team won the gold medal at the 4th Asian Games in Jakarta in 1962. Goa's Fortunato Franco was part of that team and was recently felicitated along with other surviving members of the squad by the All India Football Federation. Franco felt India's Nehru Cup performance was satisfactory. The Kolwa-based former Olympian footballer feels India have to improve a lot if they want to progress in the rankings, but the team is on the right track under the Dutch coach Wim Koevermans.
It was on this day 50 years ago that the Indian football team etched its name in history when they defeated a mighty South Korean team to win the gold medal at the Jakarta Asian Games. AIFF felicitated the surviving players of that team. In the glory of a 2-day-old Nehru Cup triumph, Indian football looks on the right track to bring back the good old days of top-class football when this gentleman scripted some epic performances. Franco takes us on an emotional ride to 1962.
4th September 1962. That was the day when we covered ourselves with glory. 50 years back, and I can vividly remember that feeling, that loyalty, that feeling, the passion that we had, that we were definitely going to do well, was undoubtedly very strong in the minds. Each one contributed, and believe me, it's an unforgettable day. All of us were crying after standing on the victory stand. All of us shed tears of joy. That was one of the finest things that could have happened. All India Football Federation did a very nice thing. They remembered us at least after 50 years. We don't know after this what will happen. But they did felicitate us, and we felt good. We felt very good about it. They looked after us very well.
Franco feels Indian players need to work harder to make rapid strides in world football.
It was much better than what I have seen earlier. The ground conditions were better, so the quality of football was good. The ball didn't get stuck and played any tricks. They played well. The Indian team, I think, are on the right track. They are playing reasonably good football. They need to improve. If they have to go further, they have to improve a lot, because the opposition, at least this Cameroon, this particular Cameroon side, India has put up a good show and they should continue this. If they have to go places, they have to improve like hell. And I think they are on the right track. They've got the right coach. I think they should be doing well. This is what I feel about the Indian team. Except for this match, the other matches that I saw was, unfortunately, didn't come up to my expectation, in the sense that it wasn't quality football, only because the ground was in bad shape. You can't play football on this type of ground.
Our reporter Savio Dias from Kolwa.
If you have missed our bulletin, log on to www.prudentmedia.in or follow us on Twitter @PrudentGoa. You can also meet us on Facebook at www.facebook.com/PrudentMedia. And with this, we come to an end of this news bulletin. Take care and keep watching Prudent Media. Goodbye.
Hello, Doctor.
प्रुडंट परतून एक फावट दर सप्तकांत तुमच्या मुखार घेवन येता वेगवेगळे तज्ञ दोतोर तुमच्या प्रश्नाक जाप दिवपाक.
Hello, I'm Dr. Judith DeCosta, specialist in cancer surgery and laparoscopic cancer surgery. I'll be coming live on Prudent Media's Hello Doctor program on Wednesday, the 5th of September, between 6 to 7 p.m. If you have any questions regarding cancer surgery and laparoscopy, you can call the numbers flashed on the screen at that particular time, and I shall be happy to answer queries.
आमचो फोन नंबर जावन आसा 24904444 आणि 24904445.
Newsy Walk Hard, Hello Doctor. Brought to you by Walk Hard Hospitals, towards saving lives.
पळोवन चुकू नाका दर बुधवारा सांजे 6 वरांचेर हॅलो दोतोर लाईव्ह.
Hello and welcome to Guestos Bite Eat. Join us to explore famous food joints.
फामाद, रुचीक आणि फक्त रुचीक.
Taste the best, eat the finest. Get secrets from chef's kitchen.
आणि हे सगळे पळोवन वगी राव नाकात. तुमच्या एरियात असले काय फेमस फूड जॉइंट आसात जाल्यार आमकां कळयात.
And we will be there to bite it. First of its kind program on local television. Guestos Bite Eat. Watch Guestos Bite It on every Friday at 7:30 in the evening and 9:30 at night. You can also watch it on Sunday at 11:30 in the morning and 6 o'clock in the evening. On Tuesday, 12:30 in the afternoon and 5 o'clock in the evenings.